this word. They gobble and butt and bobble and strut, a Native American bird. They cannot smell things well, but have an awesome sense of taste. Their hearing and their eyesight are quite keen. They run away or fly away, escaping you in haste. But watch out, you'll get spurred if you are mean. The turkey is a respectable bird. No, really, you must please take my word. She cackles and purrs, he tackles, whispers, courageous American bird. Flocks of them are gathered and are scratching in the dirt, so many of them pecking on the ground, gobbling up the bugs and seeds, always on alert, running willy-nilly at a sound. Peck, 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 peck. Gobbler Tom, Jake, Jenny, hen. Gobbler Tom, Jake, Jenny, hen. Gobble, gobble, Jake, Jenny, hen. Gobble, gobble, Jake, Jenny, hen. Gobble, gobble, respectable bird. Gobble, gobble, respectable bird. A respectable bird. The turkey